This is Liberty's stock number 51434. It is a Mitsui model MSG-200MH hand feed surface grinder. It's equipped with a 6x12 Walker Ceramax permanent magnetic chuck. And we're going to run it for you.
Yes, we can do that. Dials, and we got a table here. It floats pretty nice. All the way through. These are the ball bearing Mitsui, so. And that said, in and out. A little bit of backlash, not much. See it moving, so. And that said, of course, the stops move all the way to them. That's that. And of course, vertical over coming down with the wheel. Go up a little bit. Feels pretty good. That said, and the chuck too. This one works. Let's check the chuck. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yep. That all works nice. There's the T key for the gear ring on there, so maybe you can just, I don't know if this one opens up easy. Let's see. This one's kind of tight. Just gonna try and get it open. Yeah, maybe. There we go. You can kind of see it. In fact, I'll run it like that. You can kind of watch it. But anyhow, that's the key for the gear right there, which are really nice to have. So you got to have that. And to spin it up. Basically, it's a start-stop just down here as it's running. You kind of pan over here. That's all it is. And nothing around the back, but you can show it while we're running. Come back out, finish off. The tail. One motor, not much to look at back here, but oh yeah, we got the oiler. Yeah, it's nice to have. And we're currently running 220 on here, low voltage. So. Shut it down there and let it wind down. You can listen to it on the spindle.